Spectrum Disorder are weighing in after Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. announced his commitment to finding a cause for autism. Scientists have been studying it for decades, and new CDC data says 1 in 31 children are diagnosed with autism. Our Emily Deanne asked experts and advocates about the new data and the increased awareness surrounding the neurodivergence disorder. Emily?
Doctors and advocates agree the earlier a child is diagnosed, the earlier they have access to services, therapies, and treatments. But they say it's important to look at the spectrum as a whole when talking about this new CDC data. Dr. Laura Carpenter with MUSC says it's called Autism Spectrum Disorder for a reason.
We've got people at one end who, may have very high support needs for the rest of their lives, and we've got people at the other end of the spectrum who need very few supports in order to sort of function independently.
Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. says we are in a, quote, crisis and pledged to find a cause of autism by September. Some families say this urgency is warranted so their children can get the services they need.
Definitely needed and certainly overdue. I remember when insurance companies were not paying for any of these services.
Both doctors and advocates say with an increase in cases comes an increase in available treatment opportunities.
So if we can get kids diagnosed before 3 and get those intensive interventions started, it can make a huge difference for them.
Experts say biological factors like an increase in premature babies, older parents, and more neurodiverse people having children, as well as broader diagnostic criteria, are all factors contributing to the new data.
There are lots of genetic and environmental factors that go into autism, as well as social factors.
Parents have also seen a positive progression in awareness and acceptance.
I think there's more acknowledgement. You have corporations like Autism Speaks, the Spark, trying to find answers to why autism occurs, what are the best therapies.
Throughout her more than 20-year autism journey with her son Smith, Pruitt has championed advocacy programs in Charleston, teaching people of all ages about autism spectrum disorder. She has some advice for parents navigating a new diagnosis.
Please ask questions. Be your child's advocate. I know it's a hard journey and you're getting thrown a lot of things at you, but you need to ask questions.
This Saturday is the annual Walk for Autism Charleston. Registration starts at 9. The walk begins at 10 at Hampton Park. We have those details for you on our website at abcnews4.com. Working for you, Emily Deanne, News 4.